Most Americans are making Social Security decisions based on rumors, misconceptions, and misguided assumptions. And the worst part is that these mistakes can cost people tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. And in today's financial freedom video, I'm going to be breaking down 4 of the most misunderstood Social Security facts that many Americans continue to get wrong even in 2025. And make sure you do stay to the end because the last one can actually help you get more money even after a divorce. And most people have no clue it exists. So definitely stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, certified financial planner and president and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. For additional concepts on how to maximize your retirement, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos.
Now, before we jump into our lesson today, there are always 2 rules to retirement income that we like to give you. And Andrea, what are those 2 rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1. And by the way, if you want to go deeper into these kinds of retirement topics, Carson covers them step by step in his first published book, How to Retire with Confidence: 5 of the most common pitfalls that could derail your retirement. You can get it today on Amazon by clicking in the link in the description below. So now let's dive into our topic today.
So let's talk about misunderstood fact number 1, that once you claim your Social Security benefits, you're basically stuck. Now, you can undo a claiming decision when it comes to Social Security within the first 12 months. So most people think that once you do claim Social Security, there is no turning back. But if you do claim Social Security, for example, at age 62, and then later realize you've made a mistake, you do get a one-time do-over. You can withdraw your application within 12 months. It has to be within 12 months. And then you can pay back your benefits that you've received, and you can restart those benefits at a later date at the higher benefit amount as if you never filed. Now, this can be a very, very powerful tool to use if, for instance, you actually went back to work and no longer needed the Social Security benefits. Or maybe you realize, you didn't need the extra income yet anyway, even if you don't go back to work. Or maybe your health or your longevity outlook may have changed. So some people do file for Social Security early because, quite frankly, they think they may not get all the benefits due to an illness. But if that outlook change, it's good to know that within the first 12 months, you can do a do-over. I always tell my clients that they can think of this particular strategy as a one-time reset button when it comes to Social Security. Now, misunderstood fact number 2 is that many people think that all of their income is taxed when it pertains to Social Security benefits. But there is a thing called the wage-based limit. And for 2025, that wage-based limit cap is $176,100. Now, this will go up in 2026 as well. But what this means is that if you earn $176,100 in 2025, you're going to pay Social Security tax on that entire amount. And if you earn $1,176,100, you still only pay Social Security tax on $176,100. This is why very high income earners pay the same maximum Social Security tax as someone making $176,000 or someone making even $100,000. And this surprises many people when they realize this. Misunderstood fact number 3 is that many people do not understand is that your benefits, they're based off of your 35 years of work history. And so what that means is that if you don't work at least 35 years, your Social Security benefits can be reduced. So it is important to understand that your benefits are calculated using your highest 35 years of earning. For example, if you only paid into Social Security for 30 years, 5 years are counted as zeros. This is why sometimes I will encourage my clients that if they still have an inclination for working, they may want to work another 1 to 5 years to earn a higher income So it can actually increase their benefits for the rest of their life, because if they do work for it, let's just say an extra 5 years, you're going to replace all of those zeros with actual income. So it may be something to consider. So the last and final misunderstood fact that many Americans still get wrong is that they believe because they're divorced, they cannot get any spousal benefits. But what many people fail to realize is that many divorced individuals can actually claim benefits from their ex-spouse's record. Now, there are some stipulations to this. The marriage would have had to last at least 10 years or longer, and you have to not have been remarried. If that is the case, you are entitled up to half of your ex-spouse's benefit. Now, even when people realize this, there's still a few key points that people either get wrong or they have concerns about. One is that, your ex-spouse does not need to approve this particular situation. As long as you have the requisite years and you have the necessary information that the Social Security Administration will require, your ex-spouse does not have to be involved whatsoever. They also don't even need to know that you're receiving it. So you can literally go down to the Social Security Administration and file for these benefits, and your ex-spouse will have no idea that you're filing for them. And another thing that some people have a major concern about, because maybe they don't want to get into any type of ruckus with that ex-spouse, but it does not affect their benefits whatsoever. They don't lose anything. Or if they have remarried, it will not affect their new spouse's benefits off of their record as well. So this can be a big financial relief for someone who is divorced with a lower earnings record. So the moral of this video is that Social Security is a strategic retirement decision that can change your financial future if done properly. Now, the people who do take the time to learn these rules, or perhaps get guidance from someone who's an expert in this area, will end up keeping more of what they've earned or what they deserve. Do not make an emotional decision or rush decision when it comes to Social Security. Make informed ones, because the system has options that most Americans don't even know exist. And we would like to hear from you. Which of these 4 facts did you not know about before today? Please drop us a comment in the section below with the number 1, 2, 3, or 4, so we can see which misunderstanding is fooling the most people. Even if just one of these Social Security facts surprised you today, we would like for you to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share it with others, because this video could reach other people who may need it. And as always, please be sure to speak with a certified financial planner in your area who can help you with these decisions.
After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers. Please note that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today.